We stand on the brink of a transportation revolution, one driven not by horsepower, but by data and artificial intelligence. The era of the autonomous vehicle is no longer a question of if, but how fast. This isn't just about making our commutes smoother. It's about fundamentally reshaping our world, unlocking billions in economic productivity, and creating a new era of efficient, safe, and sustainable transportation. At the heart of this revolution is a suite of advanced technologies. Artificial intelligence acts as the core engine, processing vast amounts of information to make critical driving decisions. This is made possible by sophisticated data fusion, where information from a variety of sensors like cameras, radar, and LiDAR is combined to create a comprehensive 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. Furthermore, advanced connectivity allows vehicles to communicate with each other and with city infrastructure in real time, receiving updates on traffic, road conditions, and potential hazards. The benefits of this transition are profound. The most significant promise is a dramatic improvement in road safety. With the potential to eliminate human error, experts predict a drastic reduction in accidents, moving us closer to a future with zero traffic fatalities. Beyond safety, autonomous vehicles offer a leap in efficiency. They can optimize routes to reduce fuel consumption, manage fleet logistics with unparalleled precision, and integrate seamlessly with electric power to create cleaner, quieter cities. However, the road to a fully autonomous future is not without its challenges. Technologically, ensuring vehicles can operate safely in all conditions, including extreme weather, remains a primary focus. From a regulatory standpoint, governments and industry leaders must collaborate to create frameworks that balance innovation with public safety. Perhaps the most critical hurdle is earning public trust. Transparency about the capabilities and limitations of these systems will be essential for widespread adoption. Despite these challenges, the future is arriving faster than anticipated, with a projected market value expected to reach trillions. This transformation will redefine our city landscapes, reshape business models, and create unprecedented opportunity. The journey has just begun, but one thing is clear: autonomous vehicles are set to change the way we move, work, and live.